Here's third down try. Crossing pattern, batted, intercepted by Conley, and he slides down to the 32-yard line. Second down, four-man rush, and it breaks down, and picking up the sack, the big fella Dexter Lawrence.
Be aware, Chris Thompson, always a threat on third down.
Four-man rush, and it is Thompson, but he will be denied first down yardage. Haley has really played well for the Giants. I mean, the two other corners, Baker and Jenkins, they play fake it, and a lofted pass to the end zone, and broken up. Good closing coverage. Of course, he used to play against Peppers when he was at Michigan. Peterson, and there's that wall you were talking about being built by that Giant front seven. Third and goal.
Misdirection.
Second down, play fake to Thompson, and across the middle, and it's intercepted by Jabril Peppers. He will go to the end zone. Second down and 6 now for Haskins and the Redskins. They need to pick up the pace a little bit. Trailing the way they are. That one batted into the air. Third down coming up. Filling in for Hooligan. And no Brandon Sheriff, the Pro Bowl guard. Third and 11. Haskins, great protection. And now it breaks down. Just nobody open. And he is sacked all the way back to the 10-yard line.
That's concerning for me if I'm a Giants fan.
Haskins in trouble and dropped.
Thompson doing work.
39-yard gain. Pump fake, and now looking down the field to Richardson, who goes up to try and get it, and winning that battle is Janoris Jenkins. Jackrabbit. That might have been the last movie I went to. Here's Haskins lofting it down the sideline, and that was nearly intercepted by Michael Thomas. That one hit Davis right in the chest. And it's Janoris Jenkins. And that's a third interception thrown by